The Boeing 747-8 has Gen X-2B engines made by General Electric. The Gen X-2B, when you look into the front of a large turbofan engine, you can see huge blades with complicated curvatures on them. This is the fan. If you look at the center of the fan, you can see a much smaller circle, which is the core of the engine. Turbine blades, which drive a shaft through the middle of the engine to drive the compressor and also drive the fan at the front. This is called a high bypass engine. A large amount of the air bypasses the center